Hey, Bucket List fam.
Hey, how are you? Welcome to another episode. So, why does no one like you?
What? Why does nobody like you? Is the
Well,
question.
you, why not?
That's the question of the day.
So, what it is, we've kind of figured out part of the problem only because a lot of you have been asking us, where's the like button? Where's the join button? Where's the
Right.
subscribe button?
There's a membership button, and
Yeah,
it's a
all that,
join, right?
yeah. So we're like, okay, why are you not seeing this? Well, I did a little research.
A lot of
as you can
research.
see her here in this little graphic, almost 70% of you watch our videos on either your TV or your iPhone.
Correct.
As you see, 36% of you watch it right from your TV. Well, guess what?
Can't subscribe.
You can't find those things. You can't
Right.
subscribe. You can't join. Only thing you can do is the like button.
Right.
In fact, if you're watching the TV here, and I'll show you on this graphic, which when you're watching the TV, all you can simply do is scroll up or push up on the up arrow, depending on which device you have, whether it's Apple TV or Roku or
Right.
Amazon Fire Stick or Game Boy or PlayStation. Just go up arrow and you see a little icon there of our logo. Then you have to scroll over 2 times and hit the more button with those little 3 dots.
A little hamburger, we call it.
Right. And then you scroll on over and hit the like button. Sadly, that's all you can do when you're watching TV.
Not very interactive.
No. So that's why you guys are all asking me, where do I find this? How
That's
do we
why
join?
we have no likes. That's why we have no
Right.
anything. We hope.
So, well, we have lots of likes.
Right. But
Lots of you are wondering where to find it. Now
Right.
we're going to show you how to do this.
yep.
So that's how you do it on your TV to like. But if you're watching on your TV and you want to subscribe and you want to join and you want to do a super sticker, all those kinds of things.
Big happy face.
Yeah, all that stuff. The only place you can do it is either from the YouTube, directly from your computer,
Right.
not on the YouTube app on your tablet or your phone. That's not working either. Well, we're going to talk about the phone here in a second. But you simply just go to our website and
The website is
mybucketlistday.com.
.com. Right.
Or you could type in ourbucketlistday.com. That works too.
Ours.
Either one will take you to the same page.
Right.
And when you do that, you'll scroll down, and I've got this little play here for you. Go ahead and watch this.
Yep.
On your computer, and go to mybucketlistday.com, which I've already got it favored right here. And once you get to the site, you just scroll down just below the fold of the page, and you see this member privileges. All you simply do is click on that, and it'll open up just like you would there. We're going to go ahead and mute that. So you can then see the different levels. So we have my Bucket List Buddy supporter, and you see you got these loyalty badges and the custom emojis, and you get a free special surprise, my Bucket List Day Buddy merch for free, a $10 value. And then the next level, our second level, is basically our super fan, by the way, and you get everything you get on the first level plus a 10% discount on all my Bucket List Day merchandise. So not only get a little something free, but you get a 10% off when you get to this level. Our top level pays for itself time and again. And how this one works, you get all the perks of the first one, the second one, plus you get the season plan route, which will send you a link to the route, and as we update or change the route, you'll see those updates live, so long as you keep the original link. And then we also get exclusive member-only products. These are products that the manufacturers I'm working with will make specific or custom products just for our members. So only our Bucket List Buddy stars get these. And then in addition to that, you get some additional free My Bucket List Day merchandise, equaling $35 value. The second one here is where some of the perks come in. I've got a few I'm working on that you guys are going to be real excited about. So anyway, that's how you find our memberships, by simply going to our website. I'll go back to that, and you see right here our member privileges. Next, you see right next to that is our merchandise. On the same as our webpage, again, you just go to the website, roll down a little bit, and you can see here's our merch. So at the top, we've got the JoJo Strong coffee mugs. We are working on the t-shirts, doing a couple things different with that because we're going to be doing some donations with that as well. But all the various t-shirts that we've got now, front door, this is Shut the Front Door, one of JoJo's favorite lines when she gets excited about something. But as you see, she selected several different styles of shirts. For example, here's, we'll click on this shirt here, and you see multiple colors, small to XXL, and all the different colors, the turquoise, the gray, or ice blue I should say, pink, and white. Oh, and by the way, on the back, you get our logo on the back, and it says Proud American Patriot. And that's true for all the shirts. So you have all these different styles. Here's the baseball tee. Let's see what else we got here. The pullover and the hoodie. Again, on the back of it, you've got our logo. And so you see all of the different things that we have. And again, we've got multiple styles, multiple colors, and various sayings. This one was one that I came up with. I kind of like, and it's kind of our motto. I'll show you a white one, but it comes in all these different colors and sizes. And on the back it says, do something kind for a stranger today. So this is kind of our motto. If you ever receive one of our business cards and you go to our website and you see that, we always try to find something to do for a stranger each day. Anyway, the key thing is to go back to our website, and you can find these quick links everywhere. And let's see, you could even go to see RV gear. This is all the gear that we have on the Amazon store. I'll just click this to the view you're going to see. And if you want to see all the stuff, I've got it categorized into different areas. Here's all our freshwater stuff, our water softener, filters. The biggest seller here is the quick disconnects that Joanne loves the most. And then we have the flow meter and the Y valve and things like that. And the smart meter there as well. So those are those items. If you're looking for some black or gray tank stuff, as you know, I don't do Stinky Slinky, we do the macerator, and these are all the things you're going to need to make that work. Now there is a Stinky Slinky. We have that as a backup. We pretty much use this, and this. Oh, and this is already attached along with this gate. So these are already fixed in there. And then on the interior, this must-have here is this guy, the Ninja Foodie. We love that thing. We use it probably, I'm going to say, not every night, but most nights. And a few other items that we got for inside and the exterior. You've all seen videos of me installing all this stuff. This is the big seller. This is a little step that goes on the back tire of your truck. Makes it easy to get back in the truck to work on that fifth wheel hitch, to connect and disconnect it and connect all your cables and things like that. Another big item that's popular is this ladder. It collapses and folds into this one tiny little area right here. You've all seen me use that, so you can extend out or fold into the A-frame style, either way. And then various products you see me use in various videos. And the tire minder, highly recommend that, guys. Anyway, that's it. But again, go back to our main page and you see all this stuff. You just click the button and you can scroll through all the different things. Our e-bikes, this gets discount here for that. The Solo Stove, which we love, the Solo Stove, get your discount and get that if you're interested in one of those items as well. But again, that's all at our website, and you can even go to this page here. If you don't want to go to Amazon and you just want to sort through all of our accessories, for example, here's my camera gear that I use. If you guys want to get some camera gear, this is everything that I've used. I get a lot of people asking me, so what stuff do you have? You know, here's my drone, here's our main camera. We got a couple of these holders right here, and then we've got, where is it here? Our DJI camera, and our 360 camera. So those are the main things that we have. Anyway, that's it. Go back home. So, this is where you can find all that stuff. The best way to do it. So if you're on your TV looking at stuff, this is where you should go to do all the extra things that you can do and get all the stuff that we talk about all the time in the videos. Okay, so if you're on your TV, that's how you do it. Now, if you're on your mobile phone, it's very similar. It's easier if you're on iPhone. It's difficult.
I was just going to say
Android
that.
phone,
I was going to say decipher because it's different from one to the other.
correct. On an Android phone, it's a little easier. You can go ahead and click a couple things and find the join button. You can make comments. You can do subscribe. You can do all that kind of stuff right there in Android. However, on an iOS phone, an Apple phone, or an iPad, it's not that simple. Those guys, they just don't play well together. Why can't they play well together?
Interesting.
So what we've done is we're trying to make it simple for you. And as I said in that last part you saw on our website, we have all the links right there. You can leave comments on the iPhone. You can leave comments on your iPad, but you can't join. And you can't see the links to our merchandise.
I was just going to ask you that. Right, exactly. It's hard to
So
find. Right.
we've made it all simple. Again, just go back to the website. You saw it all there. That's the best way of doing it. So we hope this helps you guys, and you don't keep sending me little messages saying, hey, I can't find the button, or we can't do this, or we can't do that. Yes, all the wonderful technology that we have today sometimes just doesn't work well
They're
together.
still, right. Well, they don't work well together, and there's still holes in the system.
There
right?
are.
They're not perfect. Computers, we are. Computers are faulty.
Yes, we're perfect. Okay.
Just saying. Peeps
So-
done that. Peeps are perfect.
I hope this is helpful to all of you who are trying to figure this out. And those of you that don't even watch our channel, but may come across this and say, how the heck do I do this when I'm watching a YouTube channel on TV? This will help anybody watching any type of YouTube channel or any video.
If you still can't figure it out, please send us a message.
How are they going to send a message?
Comment.
Because you can't do that on the TV.
Well, comment. Yeah.
Then they have to go to the YouTube.
Okay, just kidding. Give me a call.
Yeah, or their phone. Give you a call. See what I mean? It's very confusing.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to understand.
Okay.
So we know that only 20% of you, as you saw on this graphic, I'll show it up here again, actually a little less, 19% of you actually watch our videos on the computer.
Right. Most
where
of
you
them
can do
on
all
TV.
of those things.
Right.
Yes. Yes. So in fact, when you're watching a live and you want to do all the super stickers and make the comments and things like that, you just can't do it on a TV.
Right.
And you really can't do it very well on an iOS
phone,
device.
right? Which most of us have. Yeah.
Right. Which, sadly, all of our friends have iOS devices.
Yep.
Do we know anybody? Do we have any friends with any Androids?
Do we have friends?
We have lots of friends. They're all our friends.
Just kidding. No.
I wish the data would tell us how many of you are on iOS versus Android. It just says mobile device, so we don't know. So anyway, we hope this is helpful to you in trying to figure out how to leave comments and do all the things.
Yep.
And while we're at it, go ahead and do all the things.
That's
like
right.
subscribe, join,
And ring that bell. Yeah.
and do all that kind of
Please
stuff.
and join. Yep. Love to have you guys.
Now there is another thing we are doing for you folks on the mobile device, and you'll notice there'll be a little, actually on this side here, there'll be a little, what is it, exclamation mark up at the top.
Yep.
So you just click that thing and you're going to see it's going to pop down the little join.
It's right there.
Right there. So now
Figured
on
it
your
out.
iPhone, all you have to do is just click on that thing, and it's going to ask you, do you want to do it on Safari, Google, or Google Chrome? I can tell you right now, don't do Safari and don't do Google.
Because it'll boot you out.
They don't play well. So just do it in Google Chrome, and that'll also work for you.
Right.
That's an easy way of doing it. So
join
hopefully
us.
this was helpful.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day.
Indeed. See ya.
Bye.